Okay, well, welcome back to Jeep Solo. I'm still working on the Jeep here. I've got the high lift going. It seemed to take enough weight off that I could turn the wheel. It seemed a little stuck at first, but I gave it a few kicks and it loosened up and started turning. I usually carry an aluminum floor jack also, so if I'm stuck on a rock and I just need a thin lift or something, I've got that. You can see the tie rod. I guess it's the tie rod. And there it is, pretty bent. So I've still got to take it off the knuckle over here, and should be ready to bolt in the new one, and then I should be able to get this thing out of here. So also I wanted to show you these Harbor Freight Bauer cases that the impacts and the drills come with. They're perfect for holding beer. They actually fit the Coors cans perfectly sideways, so you can fill this thing up with like 10 or 12 beers perfectly. I put some frozen water balls in here to keep them cold, but I use this thing all the time to have my portable beer cooler. Anyways, have a great one, and like and subscribe. Thanks.